One of the first things that you're going to want to be able to do with Photoshop is to be able to open files. In order to do that, there are two options. Once you're logged into Creative Cloud and you've used Photoshop for a bit, some of your previously worked on files will appear in this recent files list. However, if you haven't worked on any files before, there won't be a list here. You can do this in one of three ways. Firstly, when you open Photoshop and you're presented with this menu, you can try clicking the open button here and it will bring up the file browser. A second way of doing it, if you don't have this option, this menu is not in front of you, you can go up to File and you can go to Open and it will bring up the same dialog here. The third and final way of opening a document is to go through your file browser yourself and then simply drag and drop the image into Photoshop like so. Now you've got the image in Photoshop, you can begin working on it as you see fit.